Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix content not available on X. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to fix the issue that you are having, the first thing that you need to do is open up your X in your browser. So simply open it and on the search bar type in twitter.com and then tap on go. And once you hit go, you'll be seeing the Twitter homepage or X homepage. Now all you gotta do is tap on the profile icon on the top left corner of the screen, and once you tap on it, tap on option that says settings and support, and under it you'll see an option that says settings and privacy. Tap on it, and once you're inside settings and privacy, you'll see one of these options. Tap on privacy and safety, and once you're inside privacy and safety, you'll see an option that says content you see. Tap on that, and once you're inside here, check to see if this display media that may contain sensitive content is toggled on or not. If this option is toggled off, that might be causing the issue that you are facing, so just simply turn this on and then go back and try again. And if that doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your app store, and on the search bar simply type in X or Twitter and then search for it. Then tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so just simply updating to the latest app will fix the issue, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.